Okay, this is an Amazon cheap kayak cart that does not work well at all with my Pelican Catch 100. It slides left and right, and it just does not fit underneath the boat. I'll show you in a minute. What I did, I took these measurements, the two scupper holes and the one that is over there. The one that is in the middle is slightly smaller than the ones that in the rear. I went to Home Depot, got PVC fittings, and made this little thing. It fits perfectly. This is how it looks. It's a PVC pipe with one T, two elbows, two caps, and a PVC pipe, all 1.25 inches. The front one, small little adapter that goes into the 1.25 inches elbow. It's a reducer. It reduces from 1.25 inches to 1 inch, and then 1 inch cap. There's a short PVC 1 inch right there. This is the adapter, this is the PVC pipe, this is the cap. I taped it temporarily, and you can use whatever you want to use. You can use zip ties. I use Scotch tape just to fit it, make a prototype out of it, and see how it works. I'll show you how it works in a minute. So the good thing about this, you can see through the scupper holes where you're landing the PVC. And this is it. Look how good it looks. Right into the hole. I don't need strap to tie it down. It moves great. I'll show you how it looks from the bottom.